Hi guys, Home Appliances Advisor presents what is time management and benefits of good time management. Time management is the process of organizing and planning how to divide your time between different activities. Get it right, and you'll end up working smarter, not harder, to get more done in less time even when time is tight and pressures are high. The highest achievers manage their time exceptionally well. The benefits of good time management: when you know how to manage your time effectively, you can unlock many benefits. These include greater productivity and efficiency, less stress, a better professional reputation, increased chances of advancement, more opportunities to achieve your life and career goals. Overall, you start feeling more in control, with the confidence to choose how best to use your time. And by feeling happier, more relaxed, and better able to think, you're in a great place to help others reach their targets, too. Thank you for watching video. Please like, subscribe, comments and share. Prepared by Mohan Chandra Papane.